How to save a scan from an HP printer as a single or multi-page PDF. This video explains how to create a multi-page PDF file for use in a PDF writer program by using the free HP Smart app. Search for and open the HP Smart app on your computer. If the HP Smart app is not already downloaded on your computer, you can get it by going to 123.hp.com. Once the app is open, either log in or create an HP account. If your printer is not already set up with HP Smart, you can add it by selecting Add Printer and following the prompts. To begin scanning, select the Scan tile and the scan screen opens. On your printer, place the document you wish to scan onto the scanner glass. Align it correctly, and then close the scanner lid. From HP Smart, select Scan. The document scans and HP Smart displays a preview screen. To add another document, select Add in the top right. On your printer, remove the first document and add the new document to the scanner. Return to HP Smart and select Scan. Complete these steps for as many documents as you would like to add to the PDF. Once you have scanned your final document, select Save on the preview screen. Choose a name for your PDF and then select Save. Then choose the location that you would like to save your PDF to and select Save again. You can now access your single or multi-page PDF document. Click the Playlists tab in YouTube to find HP videos in other languages, and search our channel to find official HP support videos.